And here I'll show you how to download public underscore HTML file from cPanel. First of all, log into your cPanel and go to File Manager. Once you are in your File Manager, here you'll find this public underscore HTML. So we are going to download this file. So select the file and now here click on compress. And compress type, I'm selecting zip archive and clicking on compress file. And it may take some moments to compress the public underscore HTML file. Once successfully compressed, click on close. And now here scroll down and search for the public underscore HTML.zip file. So select the file, and if you don't see it, you just click on this reload button and now scroll down and find out the public underscore HTML zip file. Select the file and click on download, and your public underscore HTML zip file will be downloaded. So here you can see this public HTML zip file size is 61.6 megabytes. So all you have to need, make sure to use a strong internet to download the file. Once downloaded, I'm going to opening my file explorer, going to downloads folder, and here is the zip file. Now all you have to need, extract the file here, open the folder, and in this folder here you will find your website, all files and folder, just like so. Thanks for watching.